So this is what's sat right next to my head. This is my 3D printer, and this is what Powered Now are doing to try and help with this coronavirus. We're busy printing visors for the NHS. So this is a headband which will attach a clear acetate visor. We've been busy doing this for a couple of days now. There's quite a few of us actually doing it. We've got a GoFundMe which I just wanted to draw to your attention. We're raising money to try and produce as many of these as possible. Let me just talk you through it, tell you what it's all about. So this is the 3D printer. This down here is the plastic. This comes up, goes all the way through here, down to this print head, which gets super hot, and it prints the actual headband itself. So I'm doing a stack of 4. This is actually taken, this is 3 hours 22 to get this far, to do these. So 1.5 I've pretty much done so far. So it does take quite a long time to do each headband. Anyway, there we go. That's what Powered Now is trying to do to help. The group that we're part of has now done about 500 of these. So we're really trying to help anybody that's in a tricky spot that doesn't have a correct amount of PPE. So this is what we're doing. Anyway, I'll hook up the GoFundMe link to this video, and if you're feeling generous and you'd like to help out, all donations are welcome. All we're buying is material to actually produce these. Anyway, there we go. Stay safe and look after yourselves.